Hi, my name is Kiki.
And I'm Jack.
We're from FacePaintcom, and today we're going to do a one-stroke dragon. So I'm going to take this split cake, and I'm going to use my big brush, and I'm going to start to make the dragon's wings right here. I'm going to leave an area right here because this is where the dragon's face is going to be, but the wings can go like right like this and up. Do another wing right here. So it goes up like that. Goes up like that. Okay. Then we're gonna make a circle right here. This is where the dragon's head is gonna be. Just go right like that. And then I'm just gonna carry this down here. And it's gonna be where the dragon's wings go. And it goes all the way down like that. Trying to make it match. Okay, that's step one for the dragon. So next, I'm taking some black and I'm going to outline the wings of the dragon. And I'm gonna start here, and it's gonna go kind of like there's gonna be a point. So it goes like this, and then there's a point. And then it goes down like that. And then the same thing here, goes up. And then you can go all the way around to the outside, like this. Good. And then you can make a couple points inside too, which is very cool. It goes like that. And then one right there. And then you just do the other side the same exact way. Make the dragon's wings, so it goes up like that. There's a little point up at the top. And then you can just draw a little dragon face right there, basically. Kind of similar to a snake actually, so if you know how to do a snake, a dragon won't be that hard. A snake with scales, basically, and wings. Okay. Cool. And then, I'm just gonna fix up the blue. I'm gonna fill in a little bit of blue. Okay, and there you go, that's the second step. Now I'm going to take some white and I'm gonna just do some details and some highlighting. there you go, that's the dragon. Thanks so much for watching. The products are linked in the description box below.
Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.